friends, good morning. So I'm back with the quick revision of chapter 2, part 1. What is part 1? Competitive landscape. What is part 1? Competitive landscape, and an important part because this was not in the old syllabus and is added in the new syllabus. Okay, so what is competitive landscape? Competitive landscape means to know about your competitors. Knowing about your competitors is called as competitive landscape. Am I clear? What can I do for that? I need to keep an eye. मुझे अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स पे क्या रखना पड़ेगा? नजर रखना पड़ेगा. कीपिंग एन आई ऑन योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स इज कॉल्ड एज कॉम्पिटिटिव इंटेलिजेंस. कीपिंग एन आई on your competitors is called as competitive intelligence. That means for competitive landscape you need to do competitive intelligence. For competitive landscape you need to do competitive intelligence. Am I clear? Am I clear? Then what all things I should know about my competitors? Who are my competitors? Am I clear? What is their product and services? What is their strength? What is their weakness? And after getting all this for information, putting this information and then make your strategy. This is called as competitive landscape. This is called as competitive landscape. So if I see the question of competitive landscape, see, there are two questions and all the two, like one in the exam and one in the RTP. After seeing the question, you'll feel, ma'am, it's like 7 lines question, but boss, it's just a story. This last 2 line is important. तो क्या story दी है? Suresh Singhania is the owner of agri-based private company in Sangrur, Punjab. His unit is producing puree, ketchups and sauces. While its products have significant market share in the northern part of the country, the sales are on decline in last couple of years. He seeks help from management expert who advises him first to understand what do you mean by competitive landscape. Am I clear? Am I clear? Simple. Explain the steps to be followed by Suresh Singhania to understand competitive landscape. Nothing like it. Is so simple question. आपको यहाँ ये समझाना है. What do you mean by competitive landscape? What do you mean by competitive landscape? Am I clear? And then this 5 points. Who are your competitors? What product or services they are offering? What is their strength? What is your weakness? And keep all the 4 information together and then make your sound strategy. Am I clear? Now see, same question again. Only names have changed. Dinesh Yadav is the owner of beverage-based private company in Sonipat, Haryana. His unit is producing fruit juices, cold drinks, sodas and limes. While its product have significant market share in the northern part of the country, the sales are on decline in last couple of years. He seeks help of management expert who advises him to first understand the competitive landscape, explain the steps that will be followed by Dinesh Yadav to understand competitive landscape. Same question, just the name and the business and the place has been changed. Am I clear? Am I clear? Is competitive landscape very clear? Sure. Pakka. Can I go ahead? So this is your part 1 of chapter 2, which is called as competitive landscape. Am I clear? Okay, thank you.